Hey, hey guys, welcome back to another episode of Space Engine. This is episode 24 of THFL. So, hold on. So, last time I've been here, I've been on this planet. Well, I'm on an ocean like right now. It looks very dark because it is nighttime. But I left on this planet. Okay, so that's a very beautiful landscape. Let me take a screenshot. Also, whenever you want to take a screenshot, you have to press F12 like that. Here. So last time we left on this planet. Let's go explore more life. So so I'm on a sunset on this planet right now. Hear what this planet looks like. Anyway, again, it's got a 0.8838 ESI. I gotta wait for a sec. Because whenever I press end multicellular, like, okay. Oh, whoa. Look at that. That's a purple planet. But the atmosphere is purple, but the texture on this planet looks the same. It has green landscape, and that's a supercontinent right there. A supercontinent is a large piece of land mass that represents all continents combining into one. Also, the recent supercontinent was Pangea, which broke apart about 180 million years ago. 170 million years ago. And it formed about 335 million years ago. So let me check this planet. This planet has a 0.893 ESI. Almost 1 ESI. So it has 83% nitrogen, 15% oxygen, 0.7% of carbon dioxide, 0.4% of water vapor, sulfur dioxide, argon, and carbon. A lot of planets get the same as the atmosphere composition. I hiccuped. So anyway, the atmosphere looks kind of blue, but on my screen it looks purple. That's because it is. Let's go. Let's get more. Wow, look at this. That looks a lot like Earth, but with wings. Hold on, let me check if the planet is rotating right. Yes it is. That kind of looks like the same landscape from the previous episodes. But I can see grass right now. Hold on, let me save this, because I'm planning a future system with this. Wow. Look at that landscape. Okay, so I gotta take a screenshot of that. Also, the third planet from Lee 1, its correct pronunciation is Iharokuno. Also, this planet is the fourth planet from its original star. So 1 year on this planet equals 226 days long, but its average temperature is about 119 degrees, which is a little bit hot, but it's a comfortable temperature, like a summer temperature. Also, it's got a 0.941 ESI. Hold on, let me take a full scale of the system real quick. Also, the B-type, the second star has no planets, so except, well, because they're very close to each other. They're binary. Hey, okay, so this is planet number 1, which is a hot Neptune. It's kind of like a hot Jupiter. This is planet number 2, but its average temperatures are 100 degrees, and it has one moon. But that moon's temperature is 314 degrees, because it's so that would be 214 times hotter. This is planet number 3. This is planet number 4, which we already visited. It has 2 moons. This is planet number 5, which is a yellow gas giant with a blue atmosphere, and it has a total of 69 moons. This is planet number 6, just a cold, barren wasteland with no moons and a very thin atmosphere. That's because its magnetic field is off. This is planet number 7. It's the reason that it's not roundly a ship. It's because if this planet rotates fast, one day on this planet equals 7 hours long. So it has a total of 100 moons. Also, recently Jupiter's average moon count is 95 moons. Also, I found this planet. This is planet number 8 with yellow pole caps, which means that's yellow ice. It kind of looks like yellow snow. But it's a very large mountain. Hold on, let me go to that planet real quick. I mean the North Pole. Let me see how high this is. Wow, the mountain terrain on the poles is very high. And it's about 40 to 50 kilometers high. Also, that's yellow ice. But its atmosphere is just pure nitrogen. Wait, and this is planet number 9. It has 61 moons, and it kind of looks like Neptune. But instead of Neptune, it's a frigid super Jupiter with a radius of 76,470 kilometers. And it has 4 moons, just like Jupiter. Also, this is kind of like the Galilean moons. Also, I found one which is kind of like Europa. Whoa, I found some hypothetical planets. Let me check the full scale of the system. So the red dwarf star has just 4 planets, and one is the largest of this star, and it's almost the size of that star. And I found 4 outer planets, which is very far away from this star. That one it has an orbital period of 61 years. Okay, we're not gonna waste time. Also, you can see the light scattering on the other side of the planet, which is the night side. But anyways, let's continue. It's kind of the atmosphere pressure is high, but the terrain is very stable. You can see the other star in the distance. Let's try 200 light years. I found one. Whoa, it kind of looks like Namek. But the terrain isn't that. But the grass isn't that green in color. But it has no. But it kind of looks like sticks and weeds on the surface. That's because it is. That looks a lot like Namek. Whoa, this planet has pink oceans. Or yeah, it does have pink oceans. Let's check the water. Let's check the water. No. Anyways, I found the surface, but let's just check the water. Well, with this music, it looks fitting. This kind of looks like magical oceans. That it's like a magical ocean. But underneath, it looks the same color as the water here on Earth. Okay, I'm gonna save this. Okay, so this is to be continued. Okay. Alright, so we're leaving on this planet right now. So leave a like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you in the second to last episode of Season 1. Bye, guys.